Before you is the finished Snowzer snowplow rover. In order to operate fully, the Snowzer utilizes three primary embedded electronics. So we are using a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus, an Arduino Uno, and a Javoy A33 vision camera. The rover base is a Traxxas TRX4 four-wheel drive remote control rock crawler. All the electronics and everything for the TRX4 are standard. The only thing that's different is instead of communicating to a receiver, all of the servo wires communicate directly to the Raspberry Pi. So all control of the rover goes through the Raspberry Pi. The Arduino's primary purpose is to receive, process, and transmit sensor data to the Raspberry Pi for the sake of executing our logic algorithms. The three primary sensors that we are using are a vision camera, perimeter wires, sensors, and an integrated IMU, which is seen right down here. All of that data is then tied into our algorithm that is then executed by the Raspberry Pi. All of these systems are powered by three different battery types. So we are using cell phone battery here and here to power the Raspberry Pi and the Javoy, and then a hobby LiPo battery, 5,000 milliamp hour capacity, that powers the rest of the electronics.
As the Snowzer begins to clear the testing area, you will notice that as it moves forward, it is constantly adjusting the steering angle. This is to ensure that as it goes from one side to the other, it does so by following the perimeter wire. In addition to acting as a guide for the robot during its initial sweep, the perimeter wire is also used to stop the robot as it approaches the edge of the testing area. Once on the edge, the robot begins to reverse using the Javoy A33 camera to ensure that the home base or the doghouse is centered as it reverses. During this motion, it makes frequent stops. This is to ensure that there are no latency issues as the data is transferred from the Javoy to the Arduino and from the Arduino to the Raspberry Pi. The camera recognizes the unique tag that is placed above the doghouse, and its position relative to the center of frame is used to correct the heading in reverse. More detailed information on the systems and logic used on the Snowzer can be found on our website. Thank you for watching.